My name is O'Darlin.
And my name is Jackie.
And today we're gonna have so much fun.
We're gonna do circle time, story time, and some fun activities. Are you excited?
I sure am.
Are you excited?
I think they are.
Are you guys ready to go? Let's go!
Hi, good morning friends. This is Miss Pam. Welcome to our simple experiment today. This one is, we have here the ginger ale and we have the raisins. This simple experiment is called dancing raisins. So we're gonna see if the raisins are going to dance. So I am going to just pour more here, in here, the ginger ale. And then I'm gonna put raisins. So let us see if the raisins are going to dance. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, 6, 7. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, let us see if the raisins are going to dance. Is it dancing already? Maybe we can add more raisins, so more raisins are going to dance. You can do this at home. This is very easy. Just get a clear glass and put some raisins. And here, there you go. The raisins are dancing. Oh, wow. Can you see it, kids? So you can do it with your mom and with your dad. But I'm very sorry, Miss Pam made a mess. You see it? Oh, wow. Can you see now? The raisins are dancing. Oh. This is a very simple experiment for you kids. You can do it at home with your daddy and with your mommy. There you go. I hope guys you enjoyed the experiment. You can do this at home. Bye bye. See you next time.
That was fun. Did you guys have fun?
Awesome, because I know I did.
If you guys want to have more fun with our Smart Start teachers, please come back tomorrow.
And make sure that you like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.